little man. Are you gonna say hi to your new mummy? Hey? What's that? Hey, cutie. He's just 5 weeks old in this video. Yeah. Say hi to your mummy Ann and your new sister Willow. Yeah. Hi, baby boy. He's a chubby little guy. Aren't you a chubby guy? Yes, he's a good boy. Hi. Let your mommy have a good look at you, because she's got to figure out your name, mister. Yeah. You're silly. Doesn't care about noises and stuff. Hey, baby. Psst, 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 psst. Hi. What's your favorite name, mister, little boy? Hey? You want to be called Rupert? You're silly. I should have brought the name list out and see what he responds to. But right now I don't think he would respond to... He'd probably respond to everything. Okay. Yeah, you want down. Okay, little man. There he is. There he is. Oh, Mr. Floppy Cat. Oh, he's pretty floppy boy. He's a good boy. You want this thing? No. He doesn't care about toys right now.